there's the completed table topper. That's what I made out of that fabric. So it came out really good. I have it on my design wall here. I don't have it quilted. I did decide to go ahead and, if you'll notice, I put 2.5 inch border around that with the fabric. If you notice up in here, this is the right hand corner, and I put those 3 little colors, and then I went ahead and I put the border color. I did it also down here at the bottom on the left hand side. Now, that's something different. I just did it myself. I mean, I could have went ahead and just did it all borders, but I didn't want to. And as you'll see, I'll get up close here and you can see that this is not applique, it is all seamed in. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you very much everybody for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.